Hey, I'm on this rooftop. Let me show you my ultimate Starlink Mini travel kit. This is really backpack friendly. It all fits in my backpack with my laptop. And what I have here is, of course, my Starlink Mini receiver. And here I have my power bank and aftermarket power cable. So this power cable is about 2 meters or 6 feet long. And it has a 12-volt input for like in-car use, a regular Starlink input from the Starlink power brick, as well as a USB Type-C input for the Starlink. Now, the Starlink Mini only really needs about 20 watts of energy, which is not much, but it also needs 20 volts over USB Type-C power delivery for this thing to work. If you have a power bank that only outputs like, let's say 30 watts, it's probably not enough to power this thing. This iNew unit, you can use really any brand, but this one is actually specifically designed to output 65 watts. And this is good enough to supply the 20 volts needed to power this thing. And with 20,000 milliamp hours or 74 watt hours, this will give me Wi-Fi on this rooftop for about 3 hours or so, depending on how hard you push it. So that's what this looks like. It's a super travel-friendly, backpack-friendly kit. It all folds into a backpack and you can take it anywhere. I've used this on beaches, I've used this on rooftops, I've taken it to 3 countries. This is really a lifesaver. Cool, thanks for watching.